Hey, this is Spartan and this is unboxing video of a Samsung Portable SSD T5 of 1 TB. Let's proceed with opening the box. I bought this on Amazon. It was on a deal on Black Friday, but I haven't opened it since that time. I think I broke something. And that's how you're supposed to open it. I'm gonna need some scissors to cut in here. I was between this and the Samsung T7, I think it's called. I didn't know which one to buy, but then afterwards I was reading the specifications of each one, and the only difference with the T7, it was over here. Let me see if I can see it. Well, the T7 is like 1,000 something megabytes per second transfer speed, so it's faster than this. But the thing with the T7, it was supporting USB 3 point, I don't remember, but it was like 3 point something else, and that's why I went for this one, because my computer doesn't have the port that is required for the T7, so there was no sense on buying that one. Let's see. Oh, you have inside. Ooh. And nice packaging. And this is the Samsung Portable SSD T5. How do you take this out? Oop. I imagine it would be way bigger than this, to be honest. It's pretty small and compact, like the size of a hand. Just comparing with a pen here, it's pretty small. That's pretty nice, and for 1 TB, that's a lot of it's a lot of storage. I bought it for my laptop because my laptop is just 128 gigabytes, and I ran out of space, so I need somewhere else to put this, to put my data. I also have a manual here. Oh, I'm imagining this is the USB Type C, and this is the you have Type C to Type C and Type C to USB 3.1 Gen 2. I guess that's everything. That's it for this unboxing video. It was pretty sure I was trying something different, and let's see. I might plug it into my computer now and see how it works, and see how it works.